Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Family and Consumer Sciences test? This is Praxis test code 5122. Praxis 5122 is a multi-subject exam. This problem set covers the subtopic of human development and interpersonal relationships. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Let's get started. Problem number 1. A child in which of the following stages is most likely to learn self-recognition? Concrete operational stage, pre-operational stage, sensory motor stage, or formal operational stage. The concrete operational stage, ages 7 to 11, involves logical thinking about concrete events, not self-recognition. So let's cross that out. The formal operational stage, which is ages 12 and up, involves abstract thinking beyond the period for self-recognition. So let's cross that out as well. The pre-operational stage, which is ages 2 to 7, involves symbolic thinking and language development, but follows self-recognition. So we can cross that out as well. The correct answer is the sensory motor stage, which is birth to about 2 years of age. During this stage, infants develop self-recognition, typically around 18 to 24 months, by recognizing themselves in mirrors or photos, a foundational cognitive milestone. Therefore, sensory motor stage is the correct answer. Problem number 2. A child not stealing a cookie for fear of being punished is in which stage of moral development? The second pre-conventional stage, stage 2, the second conventional stage, stage 4, the first pre-conventional stage, stage 1, or the first conventional stage, stage 3. In the second pre-conventional stage, stage 2, moral reasoning is based on self-interest and rewards, not fear of punishment. So we can eliminate that. In the second conventional stage, which is stage 4, morality focuses on maintaining social order and obeying laws. So we can cross that out as well. The first conventional stage, stage 3, involves seeking approval and maintaining good relationships, which is more about social expectations. So let's cross that out as well. The correct answer is the first pre-conventional stage, stage 1, where moral reasoning is based on obedience and avoiding punishment. In this stage, children make decisions based on direct consequences, such as avoiding punishment for stealing a cookie. Therefore, the correct answer is the first pre-conventional stage, stage 1. Problem number 3. Circumscribing occurs between which two stages of an interpersonal relationship? Avoiding and termination, stagnating and avoiding, bonding and differentiating, or differentiating and stagnating. Circumscribing does not occur between stagnating and avoiding, as these stages are further along in the relationship's decline. So we can cross that out. Avoiding and termination is even later, so we can cross those out as well. Bonding and differentiating is earlier, so we can eliminate that as well. The correct sequence is that circumscribing occurs between differentiating and stagnating. During circumscribing, communication decreases and partners limit interactions, occurring after differentiating, seeing themselves as individuals, and before stagnating, relationship inactivity. Therefore, the correct answer here is differentiating and stagnating. Problem number 4. An employee at your school had her first child at age 15 and raised her son as a single mother with the financial support of her parents and a part-time job as a para-educator. at the elementary school. At age 44, she moved out of her parents' house, got married, and had 2 more children. At age 50, she decided that she wanted to work full-time. So she went back to college and graduate school to become a college professor until her retirement at age 75. How would you categorize her family life cycle in stages? Independence, coupling, parenting, launching adult children, senior years. Parenting, launching adult children, independence, coupling, parenting, launching adult children, senior years. Parenting, launching adult children, parenting, independence, or coupling, parenting, launching adult children, independence, senior years. The first answer is incorrect because it does not account for her initial parenting stage and places independence before her first period of parenting. So let's cross that out. The third sequence is incorrect because it places independence after launching adult children, which doesn't align with her timeline. So we can eliminate that as well. The fourth sequence is not correct because it doesn't follow the correct chronological order. So let's cross that one out as well. The correct categorization is the second sequence, as it correctly follows the stages in the order they occurred. Therefore, this is the correct answer. I trust that I was able to clarify the types of questions that you can expect to find on the subtopic of human development and interpersonal relationships for the Praxis 5122 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.